12 steps.
Teach them.
I swore I was addicted. Had a lifelong fantasy about loving you. The rejection left me wounded. I was feeding for that long-lasting conversation like the last hit. I swore we would do it one more time, and that was it. Still, I kept coming back for more disappointment. As if you'll see me like you promised, I was addicted. Because it was never like the first time, still determined to make you mine, out of mere sickness of being alone, tired of dating oneself. Dating you was like dating by myself. So, I took 12 steps. Took back 12 texts a day, 12 confessions I say, took back 12 thoughts your way, took back 12 love songs I play. I took back 12 days of emotion until I got to 60. That's called bagging emotions. That's what you do. You start bagging. Give me my stuff back. Excuse me, you got my stuff, give it back. Okay? Until I got to 60. Then I prayed to God and asked him to release me. That's breaking the soul tie. When I went into detox till I got to 90, I took 12 steps forward. Now you're behind me. That's 12 steps.